Language functions in spoken English. Every time we communicate, it's for a reason. The function is that reason. If there were no reasons to communicate, then language would never have developed. What is a language function? A language function refers to reason for communicating. Every time we communicate, it's for a reason. The function is that reason. If there were no reasons to communicate, then language would never have developed. A language function is the purpose of speaking that sentence or phrase. For example, I'm sorry represents the function of apologizing. Good evening represents the function of greeting. When we greet somebody, we use certain words. Human beings are very reciprocative. What is reciprocative? We imitate each other. When I smile, you also will be smiling. So it's called greeting. The purpose of greeting. So these two are again some more language functions. There are several approaches to language learning. If you look at the history of English language, we have several methods. Grammar translation, we have audiolingual method, communicative method, etc. Function based learning facilitates accurate and fluent communication. If you want accurate and fluent communication, then you have to approach language learning in a function based manner. Components of language functions. Talking about personal habits. Usually, we are talking with somebody about our personal habits. Everyday habits changes a lot. Expressing likes and dislikes. We say, I like this movie. Movie was great. What are the words we can use? What are the functions? Expressing reasons for likes and dislikes. First one is expressing likes. After that, you have to say reasons also. I like this movie because it has a great story. I like this pen because it writes smoothly. So, the sentence structure we have to learn. Expressing a preference. I prefer coffee to tea. So, when you use prefer, we have to use to. Comparing. Product A is cheaper than product B. Talking about recent changes. There are so many changes in our lives, lifestyles. How can we speak about recent changes? Contrasting. Contrast means difference. When you want to show the difference. Suggesting. When you want to give some advice. Expressing opinions. When you want to express your opinion. In my opinion, using product A is better than product B. Giving reasons for opinions. Because explaining what I am doing, I am explaining language functions to you. When I explaining what are the words that I use, I introduce the topic, then I speak about the topic, I give you definition and examples. Speculating. Speculating means guessing. Sometimes we guess things that we don't know. Speculating, guessing about the future. Expressing plans, intentions, and hopes for the future. Clarifying, we also clarify things. Explain a word when you have forgotten or don't know the word. I want to use a word, but when I forgot that word, so what I am trying to do, I am substituting the word with a different word. Speaking in general, what you have done through these functions, we have seen 17 reasons for our communication. There are more reasons learning all. The sentence structure can help us accurate out communication. Use it or lose it. If you want to lose anything, you just keep somewhere without using. But if you want to master something, you have to keep on using. Try using these sentences. Spoken skills for expressing functions. Expressing disbelief. I'm in disbelief. You must be mistaken. I don't believe it. Are you sure? Are you serious? Are you kidding? Really? No way. Requesting silence. Would you mind being a little quieter? Could you please keep it down? Quiet, please. Inside voices, please. Please lower the volume. I can't think because it's so noisy. Shh. Expressing encouragement. Please try. Almost there. Keep it up. You can do it. You are almost done. Don't give up. Looking good. Keep it up. Expressing praise. You have on. How great to see you. This is wonderful progress on. Excellent achievement in. How nice to see. That's it. Good job. Great. Way to go. Excellent. What do you think about? Having thought about it, to be honest, in my opinion, this was truly. I thought that it was actually, well, it not bad, good, awful, fantastic, horrible, wonderful. Expressing opinions. I would like to mention that, did you consider, in my opinion, from my knowledge, after thinking about it, I I believe, I feel, I want to say, I think that expressing warning. Please be aware of, be careful of, it could be dangerous. Wait, please watch out, look out, stop, no, don't do that. Expressing certainty. That's absolutely right. Without a doubt. There is no doubt about. Of course. Exactly. Definitely. I'm sure. I'm positive. Giving permission. It would be acceptable to. You are welcome to. You may. If you like, you can. Go ahead and. Sure, you can. Saying hello. In the morning. Good morning. How nice to see you. Hello. How are you? Hi. Hey. What's up? In the afternoon. Good afternoon. How nice to see you. Good day. Hi. Hey. What's up? In the evening. Good evening. How nice to see you. Hello. How are you? Hi. Hey. What's up? Giving a compliment. If I may say so. That looks fabulous. I'm proud of you. Wow. I could never do that. I think that's great. If I may say so, excellent, fantastic, awesome, wonderful, superb, extraordinary, incredible, marvelous, impressive. Making a suggestion. Have you considered? Another option might be you might try. One possibility is why don't you? Could you? Expressing sympathy. Please accept my deepest sympathy for. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry for. I can't imagine. I can't imagine. That must be terrible. How awful. You poor thing. Giving advice. If I were you, I think you should. You really should. In my experience, here is a piece of advice. I think you would be better off it if. I think you would be better off if. Let me tell you something. I think you would be better off if. Making a compliment. I'm sorry to bother you, but. Excuse me, but. Pardon me, but. I don't like. I don't appreciate. That's good, but that's not good enough because why can't you? I hate saying goodbye. I look forward to seeing you again. It was nice to have met you. Goodbye. Take care. See you later. Catch you later. See you. Bye. Later. Asking for something. Excuse me. May I have? Can I please have? I will have. Give me a drink, a book, some food, the pen, etc. Excuse me, may I have a drink? May I have a book? Can I please have a book? I will have some food. Give me the pen. How you say something depends on your social standing relative to the person you are talking to, how well you know the person who is listening, and the circumstances under which the communications occur.